my channel. I'm Angie Styles. So this morning I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a vitamin C gel mask. Okay, so this gel mask contains AHA, which is alpha hydroxy acid, which can help exfoliate your skin and also brighten up your skin if used properly. Okay, so this mask is going to be more of exfoliation. If you want to exfoliate your face, your neck, or you are having dark patches or dark acne scars that are left on your face, this mask is going to work very well for you. All you need to do is use it at least like 3 times every week. It's going to exfoliate and also brighten up those scars. Okay, so let's get right to the video. So here are the ingredients you're going to be needing for this mask. Starting here I have pineapple powder, a teaspoon of pineapple powder, a teaspoon of papaya powder, a teaspoon of strawberry powder, a teaspoon of mango powder, and a teaspoon of bearberry powder, which you are seeing there. So all these are fruits powders that we are going to mix for the mask. And here I have my lime. If you have lemon, you can use it. I'm going to be using lime for this recipe. And here I have my aloe vera gel. This is my fenugreek and mint oil. You can add any oil of your choice, but I love this mix because it's very beneficial to the skin. And here I'll be using camphor essential oil, which help in exfoliation also, and very good for it's an antibacterial essential oil that can help in dealing with and killing bacteria that is on your skin, especially for acne prone skin people. And here I have my rosemary essential oil, which is antioxidants. These are optional. If you like, you can add it. If you don't like, you can leave it out. Okay, so let's. So to start, get a bowl, a mixing bowl. So you start adding the powders together. So I'm starting with my pineapple powder. So here I have all the powders. If you can see it, I have all the powders here that I measured. So now I'm going to add half lime because I have sensitive skin, so I'm using half lime for this. If you don't have sensitive skin, you can use a whole lime. So after adding the lime, now I'm going to add my aloe vera gel. So I'm adding two teaspoons of aloe vera gel into my mix. I'm going to add my mint and fenugreek oil. This oil, I infuse it myself. I have video on how you can infuse all these oils. So just add about half teaspoon. So like half teaspoon of the mixed oil. Like I say, you can use any oil that your skin loves. All these just optional. This is what I love using. The mint cools my skin, you know. I love the cooling effect. So now I'm going to add rosemary. Just about 2 or 3 drops. Like 2 drops is okay. Then camphor essential oil. 2 drops also. Then this is it. I'm gonna mix it properly. So after mixing it, this is how it's gonna look. It's not gonna be too thick. This should be applied on a clean skin. So first of all, do your steaming. I have already steamed my skin. So you get a brush like this. Then in some sense, too sensitive skin, please note this can give you a peeling effect. It's just like a natural lactic acid peeling or glycolic acid, whatever, natural peeling, you understand? So because it contains a lot of AHAs in it, so apply it. The mint cooling. So you can see, apply it all over your face, your neck. You can even go into your bathroom, apply it all over your body if you want. So this is a natural AHA, alpha hydroxy acid. Because of the fruit it contains, the enzyme in papaya, strawberry, pineapple, mango, all those are gonna do a good and wonders to your skin. You know, it's gonna do good and wonders to your skin. So apply it, leave the mask on for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how you can take it. Then you wash it off with lukewarm water, or you soak your face towel in warm water and use it and wipe it off. Okay, so don't forget to moisturize after you wash it off. Tone and then apply your moisturizer. So I'm going to tone my skin and then apply my bestie, which is my Style Secret Beauty Oil, to now help balance everything and brighten my skin up. Okay, so this is a good skin brightener. All right, so use it. It's natural. Every fruit here is rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin K, folate, potassium, magnesium, and all that, you know. So if you want to know more about all these foods, just Google it and then find out for yourself. Always make your research. It's very, very good, you know. So it brightens the skin. All these fruits here, every one of you know about it. It brightens the skin because it contains a lot of vitamin C, and it also contains AHA in them, which will help exfoliate your skin and then brighten it up. For you to brighten your skin, you need to exfoliate. If you want to get a good glowing skin, my sister, exfoliate. My brother, exfoliate. Don't apply any lightening on top of dead skin. It won't work. It will not give you a good result. If you want to have a glowing skin, my dear, to, you know, be proud of your skin, have a glowing skin, glowing, even toned skin, always exfoliate. Bikono. Always exfoliate. I can't say this enough. Exfoliate. Exfoliation is the key. I come across one of the actress on Instagram. People were like asking her what is the secret to her skin. She said exfoliation. Yes, I will tell you exfoliation, because for the past, going to very soon now, it will complete 2 months. I've not used any lightening lotion on my skin. I've been using only my exfoliatic prep lotion. I said, let me just use it for like 2 months and see how it's gonna be. My dear, instead it glows your skin. Instead it leaves skin glowing. You know, it leaves your skin glowing and brighter. So highest, it will not, like, instead of it to whitening more, no, but it will tone your skin, give you that glowing skin, you know, then brighten your skin gradually, that you will love your skin. You will love your skin, sweethearts. So exfoliate. All right, guys, so I'll leave this on for about 15 to 20 minutes. So it depends. When I start feeling the ting, that's when I used to wash it off. So I will leave you guys now, but remember to stay organically beautiful. If you are passing by, please, before you leave, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Subscribe and hit the bell button so that you get notification anytime I post a new video. And for you all my subscribers, I love you so much. Thank you all for your support. Mwah, mwah, mwah. A lot of kisses. Yeah? Stay organically beautiful. If you have any question, leave it down below and I will get back to you and answer you when I see it. Bye bye for now. Let me go and shower. It's morning, Monday morning.